this is Chris with WW Beds Custom Furniture, and this is my lean video for today. What we started to do is use a checklist and a pull system to control how information flows from the front office to the shop. We've been using these clipboards here, and we've had the USB drives on. That's something that we've been using, but one of the problems that we've had was the information between the customer and us causing a lot of stop times and just wait times. We would contact them about the color, then wait for the color, then finish the product out, and then we'd say, oh, what kind of hardware do they want on this? And then so we contact them about the hardware. So this system kind of helps keep that from becoming a problem. It keeps a buffer in place. So let me show you how that basically works. We over here at the my computer in the shop, I have two clipboards. And this is where I do all my CAD design, and I will do all the cut lists for the CNC router on this computer. And I have a two clipboard space here, and that two clipboard space will be where I hang the invoices with a checklist. And actually I'm working backwards here, so we're starting from the back and going forward. And this is for the CNC operator to grab one of these and to use it. So what he would do is he would grab one of these when he's pulled to do it, and I'll just temporarily put some tape there that talks about cover for CAD. So that would be my cue to go do another one. So what I would do is I would walk up to the front and grab another invoice or clipboard that is ready to go. And these clipboards that we have that are ready to go, before they're put on this rack, the customer's emailed and everything's double checked by our checklist, and so I have to make sure that all check boxes are checked before I can pull one of these. Now the rules that we set up is I can pull any one of these, so I have a little bit of a choice on what I want to pull. Sometimes I need a quick project, so I can come through here and look at these. I also divided the checklist into two parts. So you can see this one's been cut off, this one has not yet. That's for the finisher to come up, and it has a dotted line where he can cut his finish information off of it, so he can make sure that he has the finish in stock ready to go when we are. And if not, I will give this to him when I take it out there for that. So I'll pick one here, and you see I have a little post-it note there temporarily that says cover. So basically the goal is to have all of these covered at all times. So there'll be a 4 clipboard buffer in this area here. So that would be the signal for the front office worker to find the next one in our order book and print it on the colored paper, because we color coded the paper. Print on the colored paper, print the checklist, see what information we have, what information we may need, send the customer an email requesting that information, hang it up here, and then this is where the wait process happens. So the wait happens here before we do any building, so there's no waiting involved when in the middle of the manufacturing process. But we're going to give this a few cycles to see how we like it and see if there's any tweaks that need to be made. I already made one tweak to it. Originally had only one clipboard out in the shop, and that seemed to be not enough because sometimes the CNC operator could finish one up in his operations and then be ready for another one before I could get the CAD. So we built in a 2 clipboard buffer there. We have a 4 clipboard buffer here, mainly because of the time it may require for the customer to get back to us. At least we have something we can choose from and keep the system going. But that's my 2-second lean for the day. Thank you.